Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. So this is the part 2 of the series, my YouTube growth tips and tricks and my YouTube story. So if you've not seen the part 1, please go and see it before coming here so you understand where I'm coming from. With that said, let's get on with the video. So I've mentioned prayers, I've mentioned consistency. Try and be consistent in your uploads. About consistency, I really don't know if having one particular day of the week to post matter. I really don't know about that. I've not done any research on it, but I would say try as much as possible for you to have a consistent upload time. Let your subscribers know that so time they will always find a video on your channel. And for me, I upload 4 videos every week. I upload on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and I have a particular team. Sunday, Tuesdays are usually vlogs or just anything outside medical school, but my Saturdays and Thursdays are for medical school tips and tricks videos. See, another thing I'm going to tell you about is SEO. For YouTube SEO, you are a new YouTuber. Nobody knows you on YouTube except probably you're lucky enough that you have people that can mention you on their community tab, or people that can mention you in their videos, or if you have a strong followership on Instagram or any other, or Twitter or WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever other social media handle. So if you actually have such a large followership from there, I wouldn't say you have so much problem. But if you don't feel like me that started YouTube fresh and nobody knew about my channel, then I would strongly suggest that you take your SEO seriously. How do you take SEO seriously? Your description tab. Let there be keywords on your description tab. Let there be keywords on your title. Let your video be searchable. Let your video be discoverable, if there's any English like that. My point is, if somebody goes to YouTube, YouTube is like a search engine, okay? So someone can actually find you through search. Someone can find you through Google search as well, apart from YouTube search. So if you have keywords, like for me, for example, my keyword is how to get distinctions in medical school, and I put in my description tab Nigerian medical student or Nigerian MBBS student. If you check my description tab, you see some keywords that I put under each of my videos. I try not to upload any video without keywords like that. That's what YouTube algorithm would look out for. YouTube algorithm would want to suggest videos that the people would watch, because it's a business for them. People put out ads, so for people to be able to watch those ads, that means there have to be interesting videos that will interest them, videos that they will need to watch. So when your videos are not videos that people need to watch, YouTube will not recommend you when they put out a search engine. For example, if someone asks how to get distinctions in a Nigerian medical school, the videos that would come out, I am definitely confident that at least one of my videos will show. Let your videos be searchable. You should have a particular percentage of viewers that found your videos through search, either Google search or through YouTube search. Another thing I'm going to tell you about is your type of content. As a new YouTuber that don't have any help, external help anywhere, you should help out people. How-to videos, in quotes, how-to. These are videos that thrive very well when you're a new YouTuber. I'm sure if I have been posting about my personal life, my eating, sleeping, wake up routine and that, I'm sure so many of you would definitely not have subscribed to my channel. But many of you have subscribed because you have watched any of my videos and have learned 1 or 2 things from it. So that is how it works for new YouTubers. Either your vlogs, like your personal vlogs, are that good that people just watch your vlogs and fall in love with your personality, or you have content that help them. Like for me, when I started my YouTube videos, what God put into my heart to do was to raise medical students with distinctions, to raise distinction medical students. So that's why you notice most of my YouTube videos, most of my medical school tips and tricks videos, they rally around that same aim, to raise medical students with distinctions. So if you're subscribed to my channel and you're a medical student, especially a preclinical medical student, if you follow up my videos, I am so confident that it would definitely help you out, because those are things that I did in my own time that helped me, and I also added things that I did not do that I wish so well that I did. So I would strongly suggest, as a new YouTuber, try to post out videos that will help out people, whatever you're interested. If it is hair, you post out videos that will help people throughout their hair journey. If it is makeup, post videos that will help them out throughout their makeup video. If you're a medical student and it's medical school videos you want to post, if you're posting your medical school vlogs, people like watching medical school vlogs as well, because it motivates them, it inspires them. I personally love watching medical school vlogs. So once I find any medical students, I subscribe to your channel right away, especially if your content is about medical school vlogs, medical school living, you know, like medical school tips and tricks. I love content like that, and I am sure there are other people like me that love such content. So if at least you're not posting medical school tips and tricks videos, at least you should be posting medical school vlogs for those of us who like this stuff. So let your channel be known for something. If people fall in love with your channel probably because of your personality and your charisma, then you are so lucky, because that means anything that you post at all, as far as your face is on that video, people will watch it. You're blessed. But when people subscribe to your channel because you're posting how-to videos, it means that the day you are not able to post how-to videos anymore or tips and tricks videos anymore, people will stop watching your video. If you're a Nigerian YouTuber or a would-be Nigerian YouTuber and you want Nigerians to subscribe to your channel, oh my god, you know that getting data in Nigeria is very difficult. So know your niche and know what your subscribers want to watch. If you post what your subscribers are not interested in, trust me, if they are anything like me, they would not watch it, especially how expensive data is in Nigeria. Why there are also some YouTubers that I have fallen in love with their personality so much that anything that they post, even though they post that they are sleeping, I will watch it. Once you get people that fall in love with your personality or your charisma, whatever you post, they will watch it. Even though they are posting about jam bites, you may be a graduate, but you still want to watch it just to see them talk. So that is how it is. Then another thing that I would like to tell you guys about is your audio, your video quality, your those mechanical, in quotes, stuff like your machine, your camera equipment and all that. Well, your video quality may not be that top notch, but at least let it be manageable. Even though your video quality may be bad, I don't think people would. I personally, I may not care about the visuals, but the sound. Once I can't hear what you're saying, I would not be able to flow in that video. So for me, I've not been able to get a microphone. My very, very good friend got me a microphone, but it's just so sad that it's not for iPhone. The microphone she gave me was for my Samsung, and since I don't use my Samsung to shoot video, I've not been able to use my microphone. Alright guys, the video was too long. As usual, I'll upload the part 3 next week. See you next week. I remain your girl Jemima. Bye.